this is my first mukbang with you guys. Most of the time you can see the plate and see what the person is eating, but I just have pizza, like 2 wings, and a little cookie thing from Domino's, and you know what's in the cup. Just feel like I drink it. It's like yeah. So let's get into this one thing. Y'all, I really give this look. I ain't gonna lie. You guys want to see the review, I definitely will leave it up right now and in the description box. Y'all, I did a review on this hair. I'm loving it. This is from Julie, but on the box it says Julie's hair. So you definitely can check that out. Let's start. This is like an AMRS. All right, y'all. So today we are talking about a couple of things, like what's going on in 2020. Like the plans, the goals, all that. This is good. I'm not a fan of like chocolate like this, but it's actually good. So y'all, I just made it to 1.18K subscribers. You guys, you guys have been coming through like crazy. So many brands have been coming through. It's like after I reached that 1,000 mark, the brands had fell through. Like they fell through on everything. So many hair brands want to work with me, makeup, contacts, all kind of stuff like that. Like they just like popping out of nowhere. It's like this. Like when you with somebody, everybody want to be with you. It's like everybody in your DMs. You can't get people off you. Like when I'm with somebody, I can't get niggas out of my DM. I can't get niggas to leave me alone. Like I have to actually act like an ass so they can leave me alone. When I'm not with nobody, like now, my phone dry as hell. I don't have nobody sliding in the DMs. People act like they scared to talk to me. Like I'm just like what? Like it's a problem. But it don't matter. Cause look, I'm chilling. Other page rising, and I'm gonna make it. That's definitely what's about to happen. Mark my words. I'm about to be the next name popping. Y'all, what do y'all prefer? Pizza Hut or Domino's? I got Domino's, but I've been preferring lately like Pizza Hut. I like beef pieces with jalapenos on it and bacon sometimes, but not too much bacon. That's what I like. Y'all, let's talk. So this Saturday is the Ride Wave concert. I went to buy my ticket and they sold out. Like I feel like they didn't want me to see Ride Wave. Like my heart been on ice. I could go up there and sing that song if I want. But of course I'm not. Cause look, I done been to like concerts all my whole life. So the first concert I ever went to was the Between the Sheets tour with Chris Brown, Tyga, and Trey Songz. I sat front row. That shit was fire. Like fire. Like I was front, like exactly middle, smack dead center. My second concert was Drake. I went to see Drake. Now I wasn't front row, but I was general admission. So that means like this is the arena, and he was in the middle. People were around the stage in the middle, and then they had the seats. And I was the people around the stage. So I was close enough to like if I wanted to scoot through them, I could have scooted through them to get to him. So that shit was lit because he's my favorite rapper. And then I went to the K Michelle concert, and I could have actually scooted myself up to the front, but I didn't feel like pushing through all those people. Like they had supporters, and they was gonna try to like fight, and I was gonna have to be like, "What's up? What's up?" That's how that people did. And now I was trying to go to the Rod Wave concert, and the tickets sold out. Like I'm trying to go see Rod Wave. What's up? I'm gonna have to catch the next concert though. But I just seen recently that he had he put some tour dates out, and New Orleans ain't on the map. Like, where you going if you ain't coming to New Orleans? That's all gonna be wet. Until he comes to New Orleans. Who else I want to see? I want to see Roddy Ricch. I can't get enough of please excuse me for being antisocial. I'm gonna need a sip because that cookie good, but that cookie dry. I ain't fucking with it. I ain't fucking with it. It sounds like I'm swallowing so hard. Am I tripping? Y'all, so what's my next plan? What's my next move, y'all? I am slowly but rapidly rising to the next big thing. And I'm so excited. Like, I haven't even hung out with none of my friends. I haven't even hung out with my friends because I've been working. I've been working hard on y'all. Trying to get videos out to y'all. It's very time consuming. I feel like, I don't know why people do this, but I feel like a fat kid eating this food on camera. Honestly. Like, people really sit on here and they eat. Which one I like to hear? Y'all like to hear the smacking or something? I don't hear the smack, but let me smack one time for y'all. Oh my god. That's really aggravating. I just aggravated myself. Y'all, I've been manifesting. That sounds so wicked, but it's really not. Because you manifest in everyday life. And everything that I've been manifesting has been like happening. Like it may happen within that week or so. I ain't been on it like I was like the past beginning of the month, but I've been manifesting and a lot of great things have been happening for me. And like I had told you guys in one of my like late night chit chats, you need to manifest. It's like one of the best things to do, but you have to do it correct. Because if you manifest, you can end up manifesting the wrong way. And you can end up manifesting something that you really didn't mean to manifest. So be careful what you ask for. Basically, that's what it is. You ask for something, they say if you ask, you shall receive. And if you ask for the wrong things, If you ask for the right thing in the wrong way, you'll receive it the wrong way. It won't be in a positive way, it'll be in a negative way. So you do have to be mindful of what you ask for. But everything that I'm saying or everything that I'm gonna ever say this year, I'm gonna be mindful of what I'm gonna say, and I'm gonna manifest it. Like I told my friends, this year we're gonna do good. This year we're traveling. This year is the year. This is the year that it's no games with YouTube. Like I might even get a plaque this year. That's how serious it's gonna be. And when I get that plaque, baby, it's over. It's over. Ain't nobody telling me nothing when I get that plaque. I'm not gonna quit my job when I get that plaque. I'm not gonna quit my job. I gotta see how it goes. I always say when I get like to the top, when I get up there, I'm gonna quit my job and do YouTube full time because I mean, this is really a job. You have to really sit. You do hair. If you're a hair reviewer, I sit here, do my hair, put on this makeup, just take it right back off, and take pictures all day long and sit there in this hot ass light. Yes, I have to quit my job if I get big. Cause I'm gonna do everything else. I ain't gonna be able to do that, and that. You know what? I lied. Cause I'm doing it now. But that's very time consuming, especially like editing the videos. Like I may record a video and not get it out to y'all until about 2-3 days from now, just because it takes so long. Like if it's not edited right, I'll go back and like re-edit it, stuff like that. So I don't know why I keep eating that cookie. That's good, but maybe I don't want no chocolate right now. Y'all, I'm loving this blonde. I can't stop looking at it. I want some highlights, so I think I'm gonna finish the blonde. Like I'm gonna finish the highlights off. Like you see how it already looks like a highlight if I flip it to the side? That's exactly what I want. So I'm gonna put like highlights. Ooh, that's gonna be so banging. It's over for 2020. 2020 asked to see me. Like my boy Donovan said, you gotta see me.
I'm moving different. I'm just, this me. Bitch, I'm gonna look like a little snow crab. This my legs. That's how I'm moving. Nigga gonna call me seafood. Cause somebody gotta see me. Somebody gotta see me. The gram gotta see me. Now let me.
2020, you gotta see me. All you people who played on my top, you gotta see me. All you people who talk trash about me, you gotta see me. Guess what? Y'all gonna be watching me climb to the next level. Cause that's what I'm doing. You gotta see me. You gotta see me be great. You gotta see me. I don't really like this mukbang stuff. Now watch. Hey y'all, this how I go. All the videos that I don't like go like videos I'm not like I feel like I could have done better or I could have done something different go viral. Like I be getting a lot of views on me. The videos that I do like don't go viral. And because I don't like this video, it's gonna go viral. Watch. Everybody gonna love it. Everybody gonna be like, oh my god. Something. That's exactly how it goes. I'm full, y'all. I eat jalapenos on everything. I eat jalapenos on cereal. I'm joking. I'm joking. I don't eat jalapenos on cereal, but I eat it on everything like Popeyes chicken. I eat jalapenos. I eat jalapenos with spaghetti. I eat jalapenos with spinach dip. I eat jalapenos with pasta. I eat jalapenos with everything. It's just me. I said this year I was gonna like cut down on fast food because the fast food is outrageous. Like when you total up all the money you spent on fast food, you probably like in the hundreds because fast food adds up. Like where am I going spending all this money on fast food? Do I not know what a home cooked meal is? Um, late night chit chat part two. That's what I'm gonna name this. Late night chit chat part two. Cause I forgot I got the first one. Ooh, y'all, I'm really feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. I look way better than everybody else. That's Sister Nova, I think. Mom, come say hey to the camera. Come say hey to the camera. Y'all gonna see. One day I'm gonna pop up with like a couple's page. And it's gonna be like, welcome to my couple's page. This is my boyfriend. And he's gonna be a Wizard Kelly like Aaliyah's boyfriend. You ain't gonna be able to see him for about a couple of years. This is my boyfriend. And he gonna be in the camera like this. Hey y'all, I'm Victoria's boyfriend. Hey y'all. Hey y'all, I'm Victoria's boyfriend. Don't say hey to the camera. You don't wanna get on camera? Huh? She really walked out on me like that. Did I eat the last piece of chicken? Damn, I thought I had still another piece of chicken on there. I guess I dropped it. I ate it, one of the two. Yeah, I'm just talking that random shit. I'm about to get off of here. If you want to see a plan video of me eating this damn food, let me know. Because this ain't playing. This is random. I'm gonna just throw this up there. Like I said, throw this up there in Japan. Everybody wanna watch. Okay? If you wanna see a plan one, let me know. And I'll definitely get that out to you guys, okay? I'm gonna do Lucky Girl, because I don't really know what she be saying, but I'll be watching her stuff. Shout out to her for that. Cause y'all don't pay me no mind. I'm about to drink this drink. I'm gonna see y'all later on, okay? You feel me? I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to look at my hair video on this hair. You feel me? Alright, I'm out.